Hello, and thank you for learning more about the liquorexam.com Washington MAST Alcohol Server Seller Training Program. Our Washington MAST Alcohol Server Seller Training is approved by the Washington State Liquor and Cannabis Board, or WSLCB, and covers the following topics: alcohol and its effects on the body, minors, and checking ID, apparently intoxicated persons, liability, and Washington-specific laws and regulations. Washington Alcohol Server Training, or MAST training, is required for employees involved in sales, service, and managing of on-premises establishments, and you must have your permit in hand within 60 days of initial hire. In the state of Washington, you are required to have one of the following permits. Class 12 mixologist permits are for people 21 years of age and older. The Class 12 permit allows you to draw alcohol from a tap and mix drinks, perform duties included in the Class 13 permit, manage the establishment, conduct alcohol tasting. Class 13 servers permits are for people 18 years of age and older. The Class 13 permit allows you to take alcohol orders, carry alcohol to the customer, and pour it into a customer's glass at the table. The training is the same for either permit, and we will mail the appropriate permit based on your birth date. This is a 3-hour course, and you must pass the 40-question test with a score of 80% or better to receive your Class 12 or Class 13 permit. Permits expire in 5 years, and on the first day of the month following the month that you completed the training. This course is developed to work on all devices, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and desktop computers, and will work on both Windows and Macintosh platforms. Once you complete the training and pass the final exam, we will mail your Class 12 or Class 13 permit to you within 30 days. At that time, we will also report your training to the WSLCB. While you wait for your permit to arrive in the mail, you will be able to print your completion certificate and wallet card directly from this site or save these as PDF documents. You may use these until you receive your actual MAST permit in the mail. To register for this course, simply click the Enroll Now button on this screen. If you are an employer and have multiple employees that require training, you may click the Corporate Solutions button at the top of the screen to register your corporate account. Again, thank you for choosing liquorexam.com, and please use the Contact Us link at the bottom of this page if you have any questions at all.